Hi everyone, this is Ann. I hope you're all doing well. Today I wanted to share with you the best way that I have found to get rid of crepey body skin. And crepey skin can be caused by several different factors. It can be caused by aging and other factors such as sun damage, which leads to the breakdown of collagen and elastin within our skin and can cause our skin to look thin, loose, wrinkled, and crepey. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed, and I will put the links to the products that I show in this video down beneath this video in the description box in case there's an item that you want to go on and read more about. The links will be in the description box. The key to improving crepey body skin is to increase cell turnover and remove those dead skin cells off the surface of your skin to improve the skin texture. And you can do this through chemical exfoliants and also through physical exfoliants. So I'll just share with you the products and my routine that I've been doing the last several months that has really improved the tone and texture of my body skin, making it look so smooth and healthy. And I start out at nighttime by applying a 12% glycolic acid body lotion. And this is my very favorite. It's fragrance-free, it is moisturizing, and it also absorbs really quickly and is non-greasy. So I love this lotion. I apply it every night. And then in the morning before I take my shower, I use a dry brush all over my body before I step into the shower. And I love this one because it has an elastic band on the back, so it fits most hand sizes instead of some of them have a woven band, and that doesn't fit smaller hands. So this one should fit all hands, and it's like $5. I will link it below with all the other products. And it is natural bristle, and when you dry brush, that helps to remove the dead skin cells that the body lotion has helped break down the bonds that hold those onto the skin. So you break down the bonds at night, and then you dry brush and help remove those dead skin cells in the morning before you get in the shower. And when you dry brush, you just brush from your feet up in an upwards motion towards your heart. And then when I get out of the shower, I do like to apply a body lotion with an SPF in it to help protect my skin from sun damage. And the one that I like best is by Eucerin, and this one is an SPF of 15. It is fragrance-free, and it absorbs well and is very moisturizing. So I'll apply this in the morning after my shower to help protect my skin from future sun damage. And those are the 3 simple steps to getting rid of crepey body skin. If you know of anyone who might be interested in this video, please feel free to share it with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.